We are here in SM City. Did you know nga okay ng audio sa nga ko niya camera, but not too much lang dapat ang noise. Like carry niya ang kadlaw guro. Pero ang night out hindi.
Bongga.
Sad lang.
Yes.
Not cute.
That's not.
King panghay.
Pang-hiking na sa gali.
Pwede mo man siya panghay kay gamay lang. Ooh. So today is the 4th day of class for this week. Nakamasa ako ngayon kasi inuubo ako and sinisipon and it is raining very heavy gidya sa Iloilo City. But later, we're going to Umi. Yeah. So,
Umi Cafe.
magkakape kami. Go there para pasilawan. Yeah, we're here again. So, ano bin-order mo na?
Chocolate coffee cake. Dubai chewy cookie.
So, ang order ko guys is ang why day last time pag ganito ko din basta matcha flavored siya and then this one repeat order kay dinamihan ko ang something like blueberry cheese sandwich and then hot matcha today kay pilay na ko matcha. Sino gin-order mo?
Matcha.
Lamit man.
Oo. And then cinnamon roll.
Chicken.
Ito mag-English ka mo kung vlog ko dayo na.
Ari, ako na yun. Chicken.
Hindi man ako Bisaya actually.
Yung matcha and I have the red waterfall.
Red waterfall. Ano yung mag-order?
I ordered chocolate latte,
Wow.
chocolate mochi,
Yeah.
yes, and I forgot the name pero daw coconut siya nga something nga daw ube, like
Yeah. Kay Thea is, naubos niya na guys, kinukuna siya kaon sa amon. But,
blueberry cheesecake and cheese bread pero ubos na wala na siya.
ano lang naman yung mga model? Ano order niya guys?
For me, I ordered chocolate tree cake and then blueberry cake and Dubai chewy cookie. Ano ta?
So today we're at Umi. This is my second time here. And the first time I came here, di ko siya na-upload and I got hot matcha today because I'm not feeling well. And I also got the matcha flavored bread and blueberry cheesecake sandwich, which I ordered last time. And it's a repeat order kasi nagustuhan ko siya the last time I had. Pati ano lang, di ko magkagat kay Galeno. This is cinnamon. Cinnamon, nga gin-order ni Ray, yung patilaw niya lang ko. Cinnamon. Damit na for real. Sandwich. Hindi available ang cheesecake ang in-order ko last time. Di ko sure kung to yan. Ang waterfall bread mo ang pinaka-worth it kay may chicken sa sila.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Nakaon na po.
Yeah, last time. Gamuto ako in-order last time. Papan dito ka bread. Tapos ako malang isa. Tinidala ko na lang papulit.
Chocolate or coffee?
Let's try this one. Oh my gosh. Dami talaga. Dami ang matcha powder ang ginagamit.
Sir mo to i-post ang video ni Ray.
Do feel ko do i-bash kita to. Doon bala.
Tira.
Gani. Unbothered sila. Kaya lang gani. Ano sa kasi I'll try the ano lang, the feelings. The feeling is good, but really, it's perfectly paired sa bread mismo. Like, hindi mo siya ma-appreciate kung spread alone. Spread alone.
By this time, we went to the Maritime Museum near Plaza Libertad and wala entrance fees, so it's really nice to drop by whenever you have your free time.
Hi, ka mapi sa vlog ko, be? Hello!
I am a part of the student council for this school year, and we are actually preparing for an upcoming event.
They go, hi! Say hi! Hi! Hi, Amanda! Oh, go! Go!
Unlock.
Go!
Never. Nagagyan.
1, 2, 3,
Oh,
go!
no.
Ima, 1, ikaw! 1, 1, 2, 3, go! Go, slide! Slide dun!
Kaya ito na counter, please.
Chips. Ano siya, nag-squeak? Squeaky toy. Bula to. Naka-drums.
Gusto lang.
Drum?
No, it will be too loud.
No, it's not too loud. Hinay lang, oh. 1, 2, 3, go! Dali doon sa loon, ta ikaw. Sa loon, ta ikaw. Yay! Pasakay. Yan, mahawid sa rope. 1, 2, 3, go! Oh, may na nahulog. Te, walang takaw. Tinawag doon. Te, nahulog tao.